Hi, this is Amy Jo, and this is a quick tour of the website that I built for Tiskilwa Community Church. Here we have their homepage, a little bit about their Sunday morning services and activities. And then they had a flyer for an upcoming event, so I reformatted it into more of an internet ad and then posted it here. And we've got a little bit of information about their pastors. Down at the bottom, this link would take you to Google Maps, or if you're on a mobile device, it would open up your navigation app for you. And then we've got a link to their Facebook, their YouTube channel where they plan on posting sermons soon, and their email address. Here is a page with a little bit of information about their weekly ministries. And then this page, this is set to automatically pull the latest video from their YouTube channel. They haven't quite got it set up to actually record sermons yet, but once they do, they can just put them on YouTube and it will automatically show up here, and then anyone can go and view their older sermons as well. Now this website is also mobile responsive and accessible. Here is a toolbar that has different tools for persons with reduced vision to be able to use the website. And then if we look at it, this is a view of what it would look like on a tablet, and it's zoomed out to 50% so it fits on the page. But it does shrink down to fit on a tablet, and it's much more noticeable on a cell phone screen. You can see that the menu collapses and everything stacks on top of each other, so it's still very readable and usable on a phone. And here we have the ministries page also stacks, and the sermons page pretty much looks the same. It just gets smaller. So thanks for watching, and I would love to work with you on your website project.